Hi everyone. I'm Sophia and welcome to Fluent English Practice. Today, we'll join Emma and Liam on a fun trip to the shopping mall to learn real English phrases and expressions you can use while shopping for clothes. Let's see how Emma improves her English while picking the perfect outfit. Let's get started.
Fluent English Practice.
Hey Liam. Thanks for coming shopping with me. I really need some new clothes.
No problem. What are you looking for today?
Maybe a new jacket and some jeans. I want something casual but stylish.
Sounds good. Let's start with that clothing store over there. They usually have good deals.
Perfect. Let's go. Wow, there are so many options.
Yeah, this place always has a big selection.
Excuse me, do you have this jacket in a smaller size?
Sure. What size do you need?
I think a medium will fit me better.
Let me check. Yes, here you go.
Thanks a lot. I'll try this on. Where are the fitting rooms?
They're right over there, next to the mirrors.
Thank you. Liam, how does this jacket look on me?
Honestly, it looks great. The color really suits you.
You think so?
Yeah, it fits perfectly. Not too tight, not too loose.
I like it, but I'm not sure about the sleeves. They're a bit long.
True, but that's the style now, a relaxed fit.
I guess you're right. It does feel comfortable.
Comfort matters more than anything. If you feel good in it, you look good too.
That's so true. Okay, let's see if they have it in another color. Excuse me, do you have this jacket in beige?
Let me see. Yes, we have beige and olive green.
I think beige might go with more outfits.
Yeah, beige is easier to match.
All right, I'll take this one.
Would you like me to hold it for you while you look around?
Yes, please. That would be great.
So, what kind of jeans do you want? Skinny, straight, or relaxed fit?
I think I'll go with straight-cut jeans. They're classic and comfortable.
Good choice. Oh, look, there's a buy one, get one half off offer.
Really? That's a good deal. I might grab 2 pairs then.
Nice. Let's find your size.
Okay, I've got 2 pairs, one light blue and one dark blue.
Try them both. Sometimes the fit changes with color.
The light blue ones are a bit loose around the waist.
Maybe go one size down.
Yeah, I'll ask. Excuse me, do you have these in a smaller size?
Sure, let me check. Here you go.
Thanks. Oh yes, this pair fits much better.
So, which one are you getting?
Definitely the dark blue ones. They go with everything.
True. You can dress them up or down.
I like how they make my legs look longer.
They do. You are ready for a fashion show.
Stop it. Okay, jacket and jeans, check. Let's check out some tops now. Maybe something light for summer.
Oh look, these t-shirts are on sale. 2 for the price of 1.
That's tempting.
Try this pastel one. It'll go well with your beige jacket.
You're right. And maybe this white one too. White goes with everything.
Absolutely. Classic never fails.
I really like this scarf.
That's nice. It adds a pop of color.
And this bag looks so cute.
That bag is perfect for casual outfits.
But maybe I should stick to my budget.
Smart thinking. It's easy to overspend when everything looks nice.
Hi there. Did you find everything okay?
Yes, thank you. I'll take these jeans, this jacket, and 2 t-shirts.
Great. Would you like to pay by cash or card?
By card, please.
Okay. Just tap your card when you are ready.
Done.
Perfect. Here's your receipt. Would you like a bag?
Yes, please. Thank you so much.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Well, that was a successful shopping trip.
Definitely. I got everything I needed and stayed within my budget.
You also practiced tons of English phrases.
True. I learned so many new expressions, like does this come in another color? And where are the fitting rooms?
Exactly. Shopping is a great way to practice English in real life.
Let's review some useful phrases from today's shopping trip.
Great idea.
Do you have this in another size? Where are the fitting rooms? It's a bit too tight/loose. I'll take this one. Can I pay by card?
Perfect. These are everyday phrases that make you sound natural when shopping.
Thanks, Liam. I feel more confident now.
So, what's next? Coffee.
Definitely. I need a break after all that shopping.
Let's go then. And by the way, that jacket really suits you.
Thanks, Liam. You've got good taste.
I know.
And that's how Emma learned to use real English phrases while shopping for clothes. Now it's your turn. Practice these phrases next time you go shopping. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Because the more you practice English in daily life, the more fluent you become.